Welcome back to Home and Style with Joy. As you can see behind me, I am celebrating a major milestone as I've recently reached over 100K followers on Instagram. I am super excited and super thankful for any one of you that may be following me over there and have come back here for a behind the scenes look at how I pull it all together. Speaking of how I pull it all together, we're going to get a little BTS today because I'm going to make up my bed. I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to clean and I'm going to give you a little tour around my master bedroom. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications. Let's get started. So now that I've got that down, I'm going to actually make up the bed. And I don't have to do a major making up because I've already made my bed this week. So everything is nice and tucked. And you know when you sleep, when you tuck your sheets in, they tend to stay put. So I'm just really going to refresh the coverlet, the sheets, and then I'm going to put all the decorative pillows back on the bed. And this is what I do in the mornings. This is my morning routine. Okay, so I'm just going to fold in my pillows. And I'm going to pull my sheets. And this is just a quick routine. This is not a full bed. This is how you get up and get out in the morning. Okay, next I'm going to put the shams up. These are king size shams. This bedding is from Macy's. So then I'm going to put my decorative tray back over here on the bed. switch out this pillow. This was a bottle of champagne that I put up for aesthetics yesterday. I didn't actually open it. I just love the color, and I normally keep this in my dining room. Next, I'm gonna turn on these lights because it's a little cloudy today. And I'm going to clean this, and I'm getting hot, so I'm gonna remove my jacket. And then again, like I said, I wipe these dressers down often, so I just have to really go over it with a quick maintenance. Again, this is just maintenance during the week, so all it takes is a quick wipe down. Now, the more mirrors you have, the more cleaning that you have to do. So I'm gonna wipe down this big mirror that I got from Home Goods. Everyone always asks where I get this mirror from. Well, here you go. I've answered it at least 100 times in my comments. But I'm gonna put it right here on record so you can just reference this video. This is where I got it from, Home Goods. And this is the one that my kids play with a lot. They put fingerprints all over this thing. All the streaks are gone. You see them disappear. Okay, so next I have this sitting area over here, a bench. I used to have this bench over in front of my bed, but I switched out the chaise for the bench, and now I have another seating area right here. It's really like an entrance to my sitting room. And with a room this big, you have to fill it up with decor. And actually, someone sits in all of these places in my room. Different family members when they come in here. They're always in here doing something. Like my daughter over there. So I'm just going to switch out these pillows right here. I had this one somewhere else. And I'm going to put this one over here. I switched pillows out a lot. Like I just had this one over there yesterday. Today it's going over here. So now let's go on over into my sitting room. I'm going to tidy up in there and give you a little information about what I have in there as well. So we've moved over to my sitting room. This is where my family and I hang out when we want to watch TV in my room. I know a lot of people don't like a TV in their room. And it is kind of taboo, so that's why we keep them separate. Our bed is over there. We don't have a TV over there. And the main TV is over here in our sitting room. I do occasionally watch YouTube and things like that on my small little Echo Show over there by my nightstand. But that's rarely. I really like the music feature of that. So I will place a link below for that Echo Show in my Amazon store. I almost forgot to tell you guys. So yes, go to my Amazon store and purchase the Echo Show. You'll love it. follow me on the Instagram to see how I use it daily. But anyway, so this is the fireplace my husband put in for me because I just needed the ambiance. So when we're watching movies, we sit there and we watch TV. And we have a nice time. And see, we have a blanket on the floor. YouTube screensaver pool. And I'll do a nature film. Okay, so I'm gonna get down here, clean this off completely because it is dirty. And I need to get down here and be careful. Gucci book. It's a pretty book. It's from Amazon. I'm gonna do is swap out this pillow and I'm gonna put it over there on my Chase Lounge. Whew. I am done, but this is what it takes to complete a successful Instagram post, or even a YouTube post for that matter, because that's what YouTube is known for, right? Showing you the behind the scenes, showing you the nitty gritty, showing you how it goes down, right? So you have seen how it goes down in my bedroom. This is how I get it ready. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.
She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, I is and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets the nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Strike a pose, girl, strike a pose, girl. I could spend it on you, freeze you up, you cold, girl. Put you in positions, curling up your toes, girl. Even when I'm gone, I only want you close, girl. If I win, she win, we count the meals together. If it's real, it's real, this'll be forever. If it's hot or cold, get through any weather. If it's all I know, together we're better. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work.